Good morning, everyone. I'm so hungover. Must have crawled back into bed at like 2 or something. Yeah. Pretty much everyone that I knew in this dorm is now gone. And there's 2 new guys. And me. Such is the hostel way. I've got about an hour before free breakfast finishes up. I love free breakfast in Laos. It's just standard in all the hostels here. It's great. They don't give you a towel, but they give you free breakfast. Logic. Not complaining, I got my own towel. It's all good. So yeah, so plan for today, tubing at 12:30 with the girls. Julian has gone to a sunrise hot air balloon ride. And Katie is probably still hungover somewhere. I'm going to find her. Should be a fun day. Another night of drinking. Where is it? I don't know if I can like skip to you guys. It's so hard to steer. It's actually quite stressful, hey, but it's so relaxing. It's so hard to care. How did I beat you guys? I was like way behind you. Far ahead. Yeah, that's true, eh? They are calling us in. We are needed at this bar. So what happened to Sarah was that we all got in the tube, and before she can get in, it floated away. It went like 15 meters down. One of the Lao kids had to catch it out for her. Yeah, sure. Just applied sunscreen like half an hour ago, like an hour ago or something, and he's like, why am I so white? And I'm like, this is why. Like, yeah, it totally is. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. I don't know, he told me to hold on to his foot, so that's what I'm doing. We're coming! Wait for us! We are together again, one big happy family. The real backpackers of. This guy is the MVP, he's carrying my shit, he's carrying everyone's shit. And he's like steering us to safety. I hope. Come join us. Leave them. We're better. We're better. Don't stop now, never let this end. So you put your feet under the tube. I get it now. Fucking assholes. At least some kayakers are courteous and they don't fucking splash you. You know? Hey! But I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. We are privileged in a bowl of milk. We are floating cereal. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around. Oh,
bitch wil chillen.
What up, Australia?
It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension, let's just let our bodies get true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
I tried to get out and swim, and I didn't realize that you just on rocks the whole time.
Oh shit, I got hit by a fucking
Where are you from?
fucking rock.
It's so shallow, we can't even juke down. Oh, we're fucked. So, I almost died today. I got split up from my group, like all these guys. We were tubing, and yeah, all these guys. And I decided to get out and swim, and then it was so shallow that I was just scraping on the rocks. I wanted to swim, okay, but it was like so, you were just on rocks the whole time. And then like, I don't know what happened, but they were gone. And yeah, I have no idea what happened, and somehow, I don't know, but I really don't know what happened. I just remember falling onto my knee with like all my body weight, and I thought that it fucking broke. It was like so painful, couldn't walk for a while.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to. Stop it!
Just want her to interact with us instead of the camera.
I don't know.
Oh, I will later. I just gotta tell the
Sexy
story.
and I know it.
Someone had to help me get back in my tube, and it took a while. I was crying. Then there was like this massive current, and it put me in the fucking tree. And we went under the tree, and my tube was under the tree, and I was under the tree, and I couldn't fucking breathe. And I thought I was going to die, like I was drowning, which sucks because like I'm actually a really good swimmer.
Why the fuck you lying?
But I couldn't get up, and no one could help me because I was just swept in this fucking tree. Next thing I know, we got up to this point where everyone was getting out. I've been long separated from my friends. They had my bag, had my money in it, had everything in it. So I'm like, oh, if I get out here, I have to pay for a tuk-tuk to go back home. I couldn't see them, and I'm like, well, I have no money on me, so I can't get out now, can I? We saw that it was like another 2 kilometers to the end, and it was already sunset, and it was getting dark fast, and we were cold. We had no money on us, and we're like, we're getting out. We waited for a couple of people. We somehow got in the tuk-tuk, and we came back to town. I walked back to the hostel and they were all waiting for me and they're like, we're so worried about you. Oh, it's so good to like be back. That was fucking ridiculous.
Everything we get here is glad
I did it, but don't separate from your goat. It's really shallow at the end. Don't try and swim. The current is fast. It's shallow. There's rocks. Be safe, kids. Don't be an idiot like me.
There were 4 while I was gone. Did you get them all?
Last night we were real high and I'm taking crazy party.
Not really. We're just having dinner. I demolished my plate. Free drinks and V-Park. Literally free drinks for an hour. Like, who gives free drinks? That just doesn't happen. Like, it's piss weak, but it's still free, so.
Speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it.
Hey guys.
Follow this guy.
I know some girl because she had a moustache on her camera. So my name's JD around the world. I'd appreciate if you could subscribe. We've got to follow her journey. It's going to be awesome. Take care, guys.
Where's the bowling place right
It's closing at 12
where's the bowling?
and not 3 like usual because the staff
We should
want to
go
go bowling. Let's go bowling!
Let's fucking go bowling.
Like in Luang Prabang.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you want to picture in front of me?
Why the fuck not?
Just sit there and I'm like, I don't want to look at it. I don't want to embrace the like awkwardness that camera.